So yeah, a few months back. It's been a while actually. Kind of when you all started making your games, we decided we wanted to come along on a journey and work together, learn React and how to use React to build a Pictionary game. And this is the product of that game. I think one of the most challenging things we did was figuring out. And you'll see in a second. Figuring out how to use this canvas. So we went online, try to figure out how to have a canvas, which is the thing you'll see in the middle where everything gets drawn. Figuring out how to transfer the information from over Firebase from one computer to the database. So one computer, so both players could access that information and see what the other player had drawn. So that was a interesting process. We learned a lot about state and how to use state. Learned about reducers. We learned about a lot of things, and we were really excited to show this off.
Yeah.
Oh, another thing I'll say is that we worked, with a volunteer, just like you all worked, who works at Disney. So we had a volunteer help us guide us through building this game. So we did not build this all by ourselves.
I'm going in.
Okay. So on Joe's screen, Joe does not see a button to start the game or draw anything, but
You can
I do. All right. So I'm on my screen. I'm going to click a button that says "Choose an animal," and an animal has been chosen, and you all have no idea what it is, but I do. So I'm going to draw right now.
Let's see what it is. Oh, wait, I can see it.
All right. So one of the extensions we thought we'd add when we were thinking about what to add in the future.
Yes, you can type, Sydney.
Is a timer. Because right now I have unlimited time, so I can draw something beautiful.
Yeah.
We also don't have an eraser, and I think an eraser might be helpful. If you mess up, there's no way to take back what you drew.
I like it.
All right, so I'm about wrapping up my drawing, so I'm going to click a done drawing button that you all don't see, and that will change a little bit about what
Make your guess.
Your screen.
I don't know. Does anybody know what this is?
Nathan has entered in the comments, jellyfish, I won.
Jellyfish? I don't know. I think it's a helmet. Any other guesses? All right, let's try it.
Pretty good.
Jellyfish. Submit your answer. Your answer is jellyfish, and it is correct.
Nice, nice.
Amazing. All right. Let's try. And if I click next round, what's going to happen?
Yeah, so when you click, well, you'll see actually the score is updated on the bottom right corner because we got the answer right, right? The drawing player that you'll see, the ID there is based on the function user ID, something user ID, get user ID. And then we have the rounds. This game goes up to round 7. I forgot what we did for when it goes to round 7, but it goes to round 7.
You might have finished that without us. We did not have to finish.
If you click the next round, you'll see that round turn to 2. And then you also have a chance to draw. And I'm going to not look at what Joe's drawing or choosing. I'm going to guess.
Okay, let's see. Michael's going to promise not to look. I'm not going to say it. All right, let's see how well I can draw this. I guess you should have some feet.
I'm very impressed with everybody's drawing skills.
Some scary looks. Yeah. This is very hard to write letters. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Ta-da. This is amazing. I'm so impressed. Amazing.
I'm not sure what to guess. So now I see I can make a guess now.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm going to guess alligator. All right, submit my answer. And my answer was wrong because it's a crocodile.
So
can you tell?
We don't have very
crocodile
user experience here because Joe does not know that Michael guessed wrong, but the score did not go up. So that's kind of the only hint he has. If we had more time, we probably also want something to show up on the other person's screen.
This is awesome.
We know round 3 now, so
yeah,
that's another way to tell.
Yeah.
All right. So I don't know. What any thoughts? What do people think about this? Any questions about how they did this? This is so cool. Does anyone have an idea of how did they send that image real time? Like you saw Michael drawing it as if he was right here next to me. How did they do that? I didn't even know computers could do that. I don't know if anyone, how would you do that?
My guess is that it just updates every single stroke that you make, and that's why it does that.
Yeah, so that could be it. Like every single pixel Michael adds on the screen, it draws it on my screen too, and it's as if he's drawing it on my screen.
Yeah,
that is a good way to do it, but that's not the way they did it here. And Emily or Michael can correct me if I'm wrong, but every single time you draw, it actually takes a picture of the whole canvas and sends that whole picture to Firebase. And then I just download the picture and you're just looking at it like a JPEG. So every single time it just makes a new image.
I think we might have tried it the way Sydney said it, and it didn't work. We did one thing where we converted the image to a really long string and then tried to send it over, but I think we couldn't turn it back from the string into an image. We spent probably 2 hours trying to do that.
Yeah. That's the way it works now, though. It puts it out in a string.
Yeah.
And it's hard to put something into an object into something else because it's smaller.
Mm-hmm.